live at the command center of jwsolarusa. Today we are in the process of demolition. We are demolishing the command center and trying to bring a new looks to the community, or bringing a new looks to the YouTubers, or to the family, or my followers, my supporters all over the world. I hope this demolition I'm gonna be doing here is gonna serve the purpose, and it's gonna be a beneficial for what I'm trying to do. It's a lot of work that's gonna happen here, guys. So because of that, I don't just want to get you guys caught off guard and just show you a finished product. I want to show you how this process is going to be happening right here at the JW Solar USA. You guys can see the tools are ready and a lot of things, and we're going to go about it and starting all the process of taking all these bad boys out right here at the command center here. So guys, stay tuned for more to come live here with the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. And stay tuned for more to come live here. And we're going to be taking all these things and all the work I've put in years ago. And everything is coming down. And I know a lot of you guys excited about it. This is all the conduit I built, and with the gutters or something. See, there's a 2-hot cable right there running the 48-volt system, and is a 4-hot cable right here on the 24-volt. And guys, you see all my gutters already put in years ago. Everything is coming down. We're bringing it down, baby. So everything is already shut down, and we're gonna go through the command center and take everything down, take the electrical box out and everything here. So what I'm gonna do, taking this guy here, I'm gonna slap another inverter right here. If you haven't seen the video, go back to the video before this so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Tearing up all the way down, removing all these other pile of machines here. And I'm gonna come up with a plan going horizontal. So this system is gonna be like a number 7. It's gonna be like this, another extension going all the way up there, or it's gonna be like a L but in a left angle, either or. So I have to come up with this and see what suits me best, because that after this one, then we're gonna go into the Outback. It's gonna have a makeover. It's gonna have everything about itself. All right. So this is all the entire process about what I'm doing right now. Demolition and rebuild, reconstruct, or whatever, destruction, and all the stuff you can put into the English language here. And this guy is gonna stay this way, or is gonna go horizontal like I show you guys on the video. This is a clear representation right here. The inverter, one inverter is already in, so it's just another inverter to be back here on the same angle that they're sitting at right now. And from there, maybe it's gonna go horizontal or it's gonna go vertical. The way this one is right now, it might be another process where this one is gonna stay this way, or the other inverter is gonna sit on here, and the other box, the combiner box or distribution load center, is gonna be this way. So wait and see. Stay tuned for more to come live from the command center JW Solar USA, live in my studio room and my power room. Like and subscribe.